Tsunami Early Warning System. Third, souvenir presentation. Fourth, for Professor Dwi Korita Karnawati. Time is yours.
Tori, the Special Representative of Secretary General of UNDRR, Your Excellency Dr. Raditya, as the as the Deputy for the strategic and for the strategy and then also several excellency from and one of the command device in Bali, the Tsunami Siren. There are 9 siren systems installed and operated in Bali, which have been granted from the to the local government of. We have Mr. Kartin, Mr. Made Kartin. He's the head of local agency for disaster together. Ecology and geophysics. One of our responsibility is to monitor the earthquake of our community through our end here. We have the backup. Very similar, it's quite the same. That's the backup. In the case when it is in the part of downstream. See? Take coordination in the upper stream and disseminate the early warning. But then the dissemination sent to the lead on the see how is the simulation conducted by the local agency and how then the siren will be near tsunami with the arrival time of enhancing the system in order to chase the system in Japan. It has 3 minutes arrival time. So today's we managed to have arrival times from 3 up to 4 minutes today's. Like Palu tsunami, Sunda Strait tsunami, we cannot rely on this system. So that's why we have a forum pengurangan risiko bencana. Where is the leader? I saw the leader. They work hard together with the local community, mentioning when we feel symptoms, natural symptoms. It could be any symptoms, if volcanic eruption, like the swing of the ground. So immediately we have IoT. He's in preparing tsunami ready community together with Tanjung Benoa to be endorsed by IOC UNESCO. So we do need all of the support from Madam. Thank you very much. Any kind multi-hazard or disaster.
Observe how your tsunami alert system is working. So Professor Dwi Korita Karnawati, Dr. Raditya Jati, distinguished authority. We are going 25th of May, and this will be hosted, as you know, by a wonderful host, the government of Indonesia. Now, we will have an early action. It is because, as Professor you have mentioned, more Professor Dwi Korita Karnawati mentioned, it has to be an end-to-end. Community level is so important. That is why it is very important to raise awareness among everybody, Professor, between the national authorities and to ensure. So
Ladies and gentlemen, on this occasion, we are very honored to show you the achievement of the Indonesia Tsunami Warning System. Let us share the simulation of the Indonesia Tsunami Office to start the simulation. Miss Ika, time is yours.
My name is Ika. I'm a seismologist of the Indonesia Tsunami Early Warning System, which is so-called the Ignatius of BMKG. We are now a backup system of the Ignatius. The backup system has a same capacity as that is the origin time, location, and magnitude tsunami time arrival. This information then is with various moda like SMS. The demonstration will start from the occurrence of a very strong earthquake that is felt throughout the all island of Bali. Analysis, tsunami modeling, dissemination.
Respon segera menganalisa. Lakukan modeling tsunami. Bukan lembab berpotensi tsunami sudah dikirim pada pukul 09.09. Segera koordinasikan 11.35 di sini BMKG bidang kegempaan mengambil warning residual sistem di daerah ya mohon bisa dikopi dijalon nanti terus diterima peringatan ini satu gempa bumi potensi tsunami tadi warning residual sistem status ancaman awas didiseminasikan ke BPBD Kabupaten Kota se-Bali 11.15. Baik, 11.15.
Ini lokasi Siren. Iya. Sudah dites 2 kali tadi, Mas.
Ini merupakan tes untuk sistem peringatan dini. Ini hanya Ini merupakan tes untuk sistem peringatan dini. Ini merupakan tes untuk sistem
That show the earthquake monitoring system, tsunami modeling and dissemination system, and also Siren application. Now we are going back to
Local DMO after receiving the tsunami warning from the big up system of Ignatius in Bali province. Tsunami siren testing is carried out every month on the 26th. So, everybody that. Two. And game board tsunami ready.
Yes, thank you very much.
And also prepare. And tsunami and game board tsunami ready to Dr. Thank you.
Oke. Salam BMKG.